All right, welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. Here we've got a test question. Consider the system of equations. 2x minus 5y equals 15. 3x minus 7y equals 23. What values of x and y represent the solution of the given system of equations? A, x equals 1 and y equals 10. B, x equals 25 over 2 and y equals 2. C, x equals 10 and y equals 1. D, x equals 5 and y equals 1. E, x equals 35 fourths and y equals 1 half. So those are your options. With any system of equation problem, you must always check your answers of the two solutions, right? I know here I'm saying there's 3 ways to solve this problem. Always will work. Well, in actuality, there are 4. There are 4 ways to answer this question, and I'm going to show you all 4. Some of them, like graphing, may be considered the most difficult. Some of those methods may be, like substitution, may be considered easiest. But I'm going to show you how to answer this particular type of question. Given 2 systems of equations, we'll use methods elimination, we'll use substitution, and we will use graphing. And the very last method I show you how to solve system of equations, or to answer, to find the correct option, A, B, C, D, and E, may be the very, very easiest way to answer any problem considering the system of equations. And again, remember, you must always check your answers for the x and y values. What do I mean by that? Well, stick around. I'll show you. You have to check your answers no matter which method you use. Thanks for joining me. Stick around for videos 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7. I'm not quite sure. But you want to stick around to the very last video. That is the easiest way to find the answer, A through E, in these particular type of problems. All right. Thanks for joining me again. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If you've found these videos helpful, please like and follow and share these videos with others. And appreciate your time. Thank you.